Okay, so this is what figure 7 should look like once you've finished it off. Remember, you count 6 lines up, 3 lines over, 3, 3, and then this is going to be a little bit longer. It's going to go all the way down. These lines should be collinear. That means they should be in line with each other. Okay, so if you didn't do this correctly, you'd want to fix that. You'd want to pause and fix any mistakes you have. Okay, all right, I'm going to flip. I'm going to start a new page. Let me position my camera. All right, now you should be using your agenda, figure A, to guide you. Now, every box on there, we're going to make 3 boxes on here. Okay? So just keep that in mind. Now, I like to put that. So 1 cube equals 3 units. Okay? And then I'm going to label this figure A. Okay? Now, we're going to start about in the upper half of our paper. So I'm going to go about in the same spot we started our cube drawing. Okay. And we're going to start with, let me see if I can flip this. We're going to start with this bottom corner for figure A. Okay. Now, with figure B, we're going to start here. All right. And I'll try to show that again. Okay. Now, remember, we like to start somewhere on the object, but there's a line of depth, height, and width. Now, from here, our object A has a line of depth of 2 units. So on our paper, it's going to be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, my line was a little off. If you want to use a straight edge, you can. I just like to use the paper. It might help you to use the straight edge. Now from here, we're going to go 1 unit of height. So 3, 1, 2, 3. Same thing here, 1, 2, 3. And we have that right face. Now, there's one front face here, and there's another one. So let's draw this one. It's just 1 cube. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. We're going to go up 1, 2, 3. Draw that line of height in. This line of width. This line of width. Now, I'm going to go from this point and count over 1, 2, 3. And then from here, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. That's a line of height. Starting off our next face. Then from here, we're going to go 3 over in width. 1, 2, 3. And down 3. That's that other front face. Okay. Now, from here, we have a line showing the depth of this piece here. We also have the same thing straight above it. 1, 2, 3. That's the height of the corner. And then here's another front face. So now we have all our front faces drawn. We have all our right side faces drawn. Here's a right side face, and here's kind of a right side face. Now we just need to complete the top. Now, I think it's easiest to count from here, 2 units back, which would be 6 on this paper. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, that is going to connect to here and to here, and that would finish off our top face. There you have it. Okay. And some people like to shade each face. The same direction. And then we could always leave the right side faces blank and shade the top faces a different direction. There we go. It's not bad. It's figure 8. All right, moving on to figure B. Now again, if I show my screen, we're going to start here on figure B, where we have a line of depth, a line of height, and a line of width. Okay, so this is 2 units, which on our paper we're going to make 6. This is 1 unit, we're going to make 3, and this is 1 unit, we're going to make 3. Okay, and then we'll go from there. All right. Trying to position my camera. All right, so I'm going to start really close to this bottom edge in the middle, a little bit off to the left, just a little bit. I'll start right there. So again, remember this one is going to be 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's draw that right face. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And there's that first right side face. Now from there, we're going to draw that front face that kind of looks like an L. So from here, we're going to go 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's draw that in. You know what? I'm going to actually start using a ruler for this one. Now we're going to go up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe speed it up, make it look a little bit more clear. Okay. Now from here, we're going to go back 3. 1, 2, 3 in width. Then we're going to go up 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, my pencil's not working very well. And then we need a line of width to finish off that front face. And there we have it. Now, we're going to work on another kind of front face here. Juts off 1 cube, so 1, 2, 3. From here, we're going to go up 3. 1, 2, 3. And then one more line of width. We have this little triangle face, or we have another right side face. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. Now we can kind of work more on this top face here. We're going to go 3 boxes or 3 units. So it'll be 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A line of depth. From here, we're going to go in width. 1, 2, 3. And then from here, we're going to go in depth. 1, 2, 3. That was horrible. And we can come back in depth and finish off that top face. Now we have one more top face to do here. We need 2 lines of depth, 3 units long. Wow, I'm struggling with this pencil. I think next video I'm going to use a regular wooden pencil. All right, now we have 1 line of height here going from here all the way down. And then I believe we have 1, just darkening this back in, we have 1 line to finish. And that goes from here to here, a line of height. Now, to finish off, I'm going to color all my right sides. I'm going to shade them all this way. Again, you don't have to shade. I just kind of makes everything look a little bit better. And then let's shade these front faces up and down. And there we are. Let's leave the top blank. Okay, and if you wanted to, you can always go back and kind of smudge one of them. There we go. All right. Now, I want you to try to do figures C and D on your own. Okay, remember, just count from a corner. Every face we're going to, or every box, every line on the agenda in the figures, we're going to make 3 lines on here. We're going to scale it up by 3. Okay. All right. I hope you guys are staying safe. Have a good Thanksgiving.